Alright, well, I'll start you guys off here and show you what we pick up tonight. Yes, it's dirty. It needs a car wash. It's never had a car wash in its whole life. At least I don't think so. Very dirty. So it's a 2002 Chevy S10. Very dirty over there. It's got a 4.3 liter V6 in it. It's a regular cab, and I think like a 6.5-ish foot bed. Should probably get a tape measure. I'll measure it. Let's do that. Alright, well, the bed measures 90 inches, but comes to about 7.5 feet. So, as I say, it looks a little bit bigger than a 6.5 foot like they typically are. It's more lengthwise. I say almost an 8. I measured it right to here. Anyways, when you turn it on, I don't even know if I have the key with me. I think I left that inside. It's got like an ABS light on it. So I'm gonna pop the hood and see if we can't fix it. Hoping there's a light under here. There's only one way I saw it in another guy's video. There we go. I remember where he showed me it was. Let me try to find this ground now. Anyways, there's a ground somewhere, and he cleaned that, and that fixed it. So let me look back and try to figure out where this is. Alright, well, so far I took off the air box and the air filter. Right there. Take that off. I gotta fix it. I've been putting oil on it, it won't shut up. Somebody made a home in it. It hasn't really been used much. See if nobody's home right now. That'd be wonderful. Just drove this thing like an hour home, so glad we didn't have any problems. I guess we're safe to vacate it. Around 30 degrees out here right now. It's pretty chilly. There's a big spider in there. Get him out. Looks like I gotta get that bolt off, and this whole box will come out. Just empty it like that. Alright, well, I got that air box out and dumped out. Oop, hit my head. So this is the bolt rafter down here. Let's clean it up. I see some rust on there. And I guess we'll get the stuff way down here from my little friends. Friends slash not so much friends. Make it miss everything. Then if you get another warm day this year, I'll probably make a engine cleaning video. Clean all the crap out of here. All the pine needles and whatever else. Make it look nice. It had 26,982 when we took it, and it now has like 27,012 or something like that. So it's a young truck for a 2002. It's a April 2002 it was managed. Check the door. So let's get that bolt out and then put it all back together, see if we could fix that issue. Alright, so I put some star washers on that after sanding it a bit. Probably out of focus. Show you these things. Again, from Harbor Freight. They work wonders sometimes. They dig in. I usually use the out spiked ones rather than internal spiked ones. I just feel they work better because you get the big angled tips, and they kind of dig into the metal around it, so you get a better connection. You get these, I don't know, $7 or so, but you get a lot of them. So I use those ones. They come in 5-6 different sizes. I stuck a couple of those on there, and hopefully that'll work. Vacuum that out and kind of move it around the stuck stuff with a screwdriver. So we're going to put it back together and see if that fixes it. The air box and the filter, and now we gotta put the top on. Just say V6 vortec. I don't know what that means exactly. It's a 4.3 liter, as I mentioned before. So put this in there and see if that fixes it. And moment of truth. Let's see if that fixes it. Shut off my headlight so you can see. Alright, well, it's something else. Here's my steering wheel. It's a good attempt, though. That fixes some cases I've seen. If you clean that connection up in the front, it typically will clean it for you. Or you clean it and it'll fix it, but it must be a sensor or something else, so I'll have to bring it to a shop and get it fixed, I guess. Let me just let you listen to the exhaust. Yeah, this thing, once it gets warm, it'll idle about 500 RPMs. It's pretty nice. Little thing. Here's the exhaust. Sounds pretty good. So, that's it. Thanks for watching this attempted video. And once it's light, I'll give you a better overview of the whole truck. Maybe clean it before winter. I don't even know what today is. Like, I think it's November 12th, so snow's on its way. It's coming soon. So thanks again. We'll catch you next time.